Hello, happy day 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, the reality just hit that my finals in 4 days. Are you serious? Ow. Anyways, that was a rough. I'm heading to work for 11:15. It's just after 10 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna leave, go to the mall, pick up my birthday present for Julia, and then work all day, and then study for my final. I think I might be meeting up with Julia possibly tonight to study, so if so, vlog then. That's all I got. Everyone say good morning to Harold. Focus. Oh, there he is. Good morning, buddy.
Good morning. It is like 10:43 for me right now. I'm having a super chill day. So chill. Yeah. I work at 3:30 and my whole sleeping schedule is just so messed up right now. Like, not real. Not even real. I'm just gonna chill out. Watch some VLOGMAS. I think when it gets closer to noon, I'm gonna go for a walk, get some food, come back, get some more things from my van, bring them here, get ready for work, go to work. I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna have a great day. Migrated outside. It just smells so good out here.
I think this is Julia, because we're meeting up to study right now, and I'm like 100% sure this is her, but I don't think she sees me. she's looking. Does she see me? I think she she sees me. Super funny. Just got to Starbucks. I see Julia vlogging right now. She's smiling. She sees me. Very hard to see. Anyways. Almost just hit the car beside me with my door. It's cool. I'm chill.
I have had the worst day. So it's 6 p.m. and this is my first clip of the day, but hear me out. I have had the worst day. I've had the worst. Okay, this is so loud. Okay. I've had the worst freaking day, Lexi.
Why?
Because I was studying all day at school, except I just couldn't concentrate. I just didn't get anything done. And also, my laptop died there, my phone died there, everything died there.
No chargers?
So I couldn't even, there was no plugins near me, so I couldn't plug in anything. Also, I freaking lost my business calculator that I need for all my exams, and I just went to Staples to go get it because on their website it was only $35. And I get there at 6:01, it closed at 6.
Oh shit.
And then I went to Walmart and they had it, but it was like $80. So I was like, fuck, I should just go to Staples tomorrow instead.
Yeah.
So now I just don't have it, but I'm annoyed that I lost my calculator in the first place because I don't know how that happened. I had it Friday morning. It's in the vlog on Thursday. It's in Thursday's vlog.
Where were you Thursday?
At my house studying with it.
Well, it has to be there somewhere, right?
I know, but I've looked everywhere. I cleaned my whole room. I cleaned my whole living room. It's not there. Anyways, then I was at school. I brought a bag of snacks and I had this pasta salad and it spilled everywhere. And I just reached my hand in my bag to get a snack to eat and it just got coated in pasta.
Oh.
So yeah, this is my first clip of the day, Lexi.
Oh my god.
The vlog's not going too good.
Oh, shit.
I filmed a little bit of B-roll when I was studying earlier. But you know, it can only go up from here.
Damn.
So we're at Starbucks
Cheers.
now. It's 6 p.m. We're at Starbucks studying.
Yeah.
And
Our friend Emma's gonna meet us here too.
Oh,
Did I tell you
fun.
that?
No,
Yeah,
fun,
Emma,
okay.
our friend Emma's coming. You'll see her in the vlog.
yeah.
But yeah, she just left her house, so she'll be here in like 5 minutes.
Okay, fun. Okay. We're going now. Bye. No consent.
My friend debrief about everything.
So it's 9 o'clock now and I'm a lot calmer. I'm home now. I studied with Lexi for like 2-ish hours and then I ran downtown. I'm actually borrowing a calculator from a friend that just graduated the program, which is so nice. Then I quickly stopped and dropped something off for Hannah. She's at work right now, as I'm sure you've seen. But yeah, I'm better now. I was just frustrated because I have very limited time to study for these finals, and some days you just don't have a productive day and you can't help that, but I just don't have time to not have a productive day. So it was frustrating, but I'm okay now. I'm home. I think I'm just gonna keep studying and then go to bed. So this is probably it for me on the vlog, but I'll film some B-roll maybe if I do anything else. Lexi, did you fix this? Because this normally sucks. And it was so easy.